Good morning. It's day 4. I'm at Islet Lake at the northern end of it. It was cooler last night. Not too bad. I still have to pack up. I'm going to Lake Suzanne today. Should be about an 18-kilometer walk. Shouldn't be too bad. The forecast is pretty good, sunny. I think about 23 degrees Celsius. I've already had breakfast. As I said, it's time to pack up and get going. Now I'll just show you a bit around the campsite. As I said, yeah, it's a pretty nice day out. The fog is lifting. It was on the lake today. It's a pretty nice campsite up on a high point. Didn't have a fire last night. Everything's still soaking wet from yesterday's rain. So once I pack up, try and shoot a little bit more trail footage and show you the next campsite later this afternoon. So this is the southerly campsite on Lake Brown. I'm on day 4 right now. On my way to Susan Lake from Islet Lake. Trail's been pretty good. Weather's fantastic. Blue sky, I'm gonna say low 20s today. Celsius. This is a nice little spot. Great campsite with a view. So we're finishing up at the south end of Brown Lake, coming in. Looks like someone's built a nice little boardwalk here. Little descent down into the boggy area. Looks like it's been here for a while. It's quite grown up around it. So it's a beautiful day, like I said. Day 4 of the hike. It's supposed to pour down rain tomorrow, so really get it in today. 18-kilometer day. I'm moving along pretty good. Yeah, nice open spot here. Don't see any small fish. Oh yeah, there's a couple small fish lingering. Nice boardwalk. There's a big frog on a log there. Yeah, it's a beautiful park to walk in, Algonquin. Nice little seat here. Well done, guys. Into the bog, into the boardwalk, back into the woods. Update you later. A little brook here. Look at the foam. It looks like a oversized lifesaver. Just in the middle of the brook, spinning in front of that log. This little creek. Okay, so this is the end of day 4 at Susan Lake. This is the approaching the campsite number 1. No good swimming here either, really. You could jump out into the water, but usually like a nice rock or sand walk off. So as you can see, it's damp in here also. Lots of rain this time of year, above average I would say. And it's raining again tomorrow, so my goal is to get up early around 6. I think there's a 60% chance, but very light showers at that point. Pack up, I'll set everything up tonight so I can not get hardly anything wet. Obviously the tarp will be wet. And I'll get wet hiking out, as it's supposed to really pour down eventually. I've got about 5 hours to get out, 20 kilometers or so. We'll see. But this is Susan Lake. I was watching some loons. I think there's one out there right now. There you go. Mr. Loon. Oh, just dove. Yeah, he's been going in and out. So, got the hammock out. I was relaxing a bit. About to cook supper. Get the tarp up. Drying everything out. Got wet yesterday. So it's been a fun hike. Hopefully tomorrow, obviously gonna rain. You know what's gonna happen. You plan for it and do the best. Well, I'll check in tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be able to shoot some stuff in the rain. It's not pouring too much, so I'll be not wanting to get the electronics out. Talk to you later. It is so nice to just kick back and lay in the hammock, relax and think about the day and a few other things. Take in all the fresh air and the sounds of nature, the cool wind. I definitely could use more moments like this.